Diarrhea, also known as loose motion, is a problem that troubles people due to irregularity in food or any other eating disturbances. In this disease, your stool becomes very thin. You may have to go to the toilet again and again. Along with this, you may feel stomach cramps or pain. Loose motion causes the problem of dehydration, due to which there is a loss of the water, minerals and salts in our body, leading to weakness in the body. An interesting fact about diarrhea is that in developing countries, it is responsible for more than 2 lakh deaths every year, primarily due to dehydration caused by diarrhea. Thus, this problem should not be taken casually and should be dealt with seriously like any other health element. If you don't drink water continuously during this problem, in worst cases, it may also lead to death due to dehydration. So in this video, we'll talk about 10 such home remedies that will provide you quick relief from this problem. And in the end, we will know some bonus tips for diarrhea. But before moving ahead, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe the channel for such amazing videos and press the notification bell for regular updates. Now, 10 effective home remedies for quick relief in diarrhea are: Number 1. Coriander seeds. Boil 1 teaspoon dry coriander seeds in 1 liter of water. When half the water remains, filter the water and cool it. Drink it in small amounts throughout the day. Second, lemon juice. Lemon juice has anti-inflammatory properties. It clears the stomach easily. This is a very old recipe to relieve diarrhea. Mix 1 teaspoon lemon juice in 1 cup of fresh water. Take it on an empty stomach in the morning or afternoon and evening after meals. Third, roasted cumin seeds powder. Mix half a teaspoon roasted cumin seeds powder with a 1 cup yogurt. Eat it for instant relief in diarrhea. Fourth, raw papaya. Grate 3 to 4 pieces of raw papaya and boil it with 3 to 4 cups of water for about 10 minutes. Sieve and drink this water 3 to 4 times a day. This will not only give you relief from loose motion but also from stomach cramps. Fifth, mustard seeds. Mustard seeds have antibacterial properties, hence it helps in diarrhea. Place mustard seeds in water for a few hours and drink this water. This is an effective way to stop loose motion. Sixth, pomegranate. Pomegranate juice is the traditional remedy for diarrhea. Its antifungal, antiviral and antibacterial properties benefit the body. It prevents harmful bacteria in the stomach, thus preventing diarrhea from occurring for a long time. It can also help reduce nausea, vomiting and reduce appetite. Drink 1 to 2 glasses of fresh pomegranate juice throughout the day. Seventh, chamomile or peppermint tea. Chamomile or peppermint tea beneficial in stomach disorder such as stomach gas or abdominal pain. It also provides relief from diarrhea and help your intestines functions properly. Drink 2 cups of chamomile tea a day. 8th, carrot soup. Carrot soup is light for your stomach and easy to digest. Drink 1 to 2 bowls of hot carrot soup to get your digestive system back on track. 9th, apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is a very good solution to stop diarrhea. This natural antibiotic in apple cider vinegar helps in treating diarrhea by eliminating the bacteria of diarrhea present in the intestine. It also helps in maintaining the proper pH level in the stomach, thereby healing the stomach. Mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar in a glass of lukewarm water. Add a little amount of honey and mix it. Drink it 2 to 3 times a day until your condition improves. 10th, turmeric. Turmeric's antibiotic properties helps in fighting the bacteria that cause diarrhea. According to a study, turmeric extract can improve the symptoms of irritable bowel. Mix half a teaspoon turmeric powder in a glass of warm water. Mix it well so that no lumps are formed. Then quickly drink. Drink it 2 to 3 times a day. Alternatively, mix 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder with 1 tablespoon of yogurt and eat it 2 to 3 times a day. Now, so as I promised, here are some bonus tips for diarrhea. First, avoid foods rich in fiber and fruits. Second, do not consume milk and dairy products, such as cheese, except for yogurt, which is highly beneficial in diarrhea. Third, avoid spicy and oily foods. Fourth, avoid alcohol, soft drinks, and coffee. Fifth, the patient should rest more and more because the body becomes weak due to diarrhea. Sixth, no physical exercise should be done.